name is Joan Whitson, and I'm with the Early Learning Coalition of North Florida. Today, my video that I'm going to do for you is called 2 Ingredient Fun. I'm going to show you 2 kid-friendly activities that only require 2 ingredients. And the best part is, they're all ingredients that you probably already have just sitting around your house. Let's get started. The first thing we're going to make is easy moonsand. What are the 2 ingredients? They are flour and baby oil. Let's get started. We dump our flour into a bowl, 2 cups of flour, and then we add 1/4 cup of baby oil. And you just start stirring it up. If you'd like to make a taste-safe version of this, you can substitute coconut oil for the baby oil. You just have to make sure you put it in the microwave or in a pan to make sure it's a liquid before you pour it in. Just keep stirring it until you get all the clumps out. The baby oil tends to get a little clumpy. So you just kind of got to smash those out. You're going to be amazed at how much like real sand this feels like. It's even moldable like real sand. I'm going to show you an example. I have some here. Look at that. It's so amazing. What I recommend is storing it in an airtight container like I have here, and I throw a bunch of toys in there. When you want to play with it, you just bring out the whole container. When you're done, put the cover on, seal it up, and you're good to go. This sand is going to last for months. The second thing I'm going to show you how to make is 2 ingredient, super soft Play-Doh. What are the 2 ingredients? Cornstarch and baby lotion. You just take 2 cups of cornstarch, dump it into your bowl. Then you add your 1 cup of baby lotion. Just dump it right in there. And then you just start stirring it up. Kids are going to love this dough. First of all, it smells fantastic. And it's super soft. Keep stirring until it's a consistency where you can use your hands to finish it. Just like this. And you take it and you finish it the rest of the way with your hand. And you just knead it until it becomes a nice, soft dough. If you'd like, you can add food coloring to it. You just make a little well in it, put some food coloring in there, and just keep kneading it until all the color is mixed in. I would recommend, though, that you use gloves when doing the food coloring, or your hands will be terribly stained. I learned that the hard way. Isn't that wonderful? Oh, it smells fantastic. Children learn through play. So having them play with things like Play-Doh and sand are excellent ways for them to use their hands to build creativity, and it also teaches them math skills, like the concepts of measurement. And while you're at it, why don't you join in and play along with them too? Kids learn best through interaction. And you just might have a lot of fun too. Thanks for watching.